In this video, we will show you how to install the Rhino-Rack Backbone on Toyota 79 Series Dual Cab. Start by loosening the Pioneer underbars. You must identify the rear of the Pioneer. There is a label that says rear. The front underbar must align on -56 and tighten it with appropriate tool. The rear underbar must align on 56 and tighten it with appropriate tool. Tighten all underbars with torque tool provided. Insert the T-bolts into the front, middle and rear underbars on each sides. Place the backbone on the T-bolts. Finger tighten with hex nut in Pioneer Fit Kit. Follow the same step for all other sides. Slide the rear of the backbone forward to 87.5mm as shown. Make sure you identify the front and rear as measurements differ. Slide the front of the backbone forward to 86.5mm as shown. Once the position is correct, you can tighten it. You are now ready to place the Pioneer and the backbone on top of the vehicle with two people. The backbone must be positioned 402mm from the door jamb to the centre hole on the backbone. Before attaching the clamps, it is important you leave the vehicle doors open. Pre-assemble the Toyota clamp and gutter clamp as shown. Attach it to the backbone, tightening them progressively together. Once tightened, you can close vehicle doors. Follow the same steps for all other sides. This completes our installation for Toyota 79 Series Dual Cab Backbone. Make sure all fixtures are secure before use.